Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download the Edge Crypto Wallet app in this tutorial. Launch the Play Store on your device first. Tap on the search bar at the top. Then type Edge Wallet. Now tap on search. We're going to be downloading this application. Tap on the install icon. Then let it download now. Tap on open once the installation is completed. You can either sign up or log in to use the application by following the instructed steps. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.